Hey guys, Chris Fix here. You're driving and suddenly, the red oil can light pops up on your dash. That's not your check engine light, it's the oil pressure light. I call it the engine death light. If it stays on, your engine is in serious trouble. Ignore it, and you could destroy your engine in minutes. Don't panic or keep driving. This is one of the most urgent warnings your car gives. Oil is your engine's lifeblood. Without pressure, it's starving. Every second you drive risks major damage. Pull over and shut off the engine immediately. Take a breath. You just saved your engine. Now, let's find out what went wrong and fix it. So, what's that red oil can really saying? It's not just about low oil, it's about low oil pressure. Your engine's oil pump pushes oil through tiny passages to keep everything lubricated. If pressure drops below safe levels, the sensor triggers that warning light. Low oil pressure means metal parts are grinding together, creating heat and friction. Bearings can melt, clearances widen, and soon you'll hear knocking, the engine's death rattle. If ignored, the engine can seize up completely, leaving you with a massive repair bill. That light isn't a suggestion, it's a sign your engine's protective barrier has failed. The difference between a healthy engine and a destroyed one is a thin film of pressurized oil. When that's gone, the engine starts destroying itself. That's why you need to act immediately. Let's make this crystal clear. If your oil pressure light comes on, pull over and shut off the engine as soon as it's safe. Find a safe spot, turn on your hazards, put the car in park, and turn off the ignition. Don't let the engine idle, hoping the light will go out. Every second counts. The urge to keep driving is strong, but don't risk it. A tow truck is a small expense compared to a new engine. Once you're stopped, let the engine cool for at least 15-20 minutes. Use this time to call someone or look up a tow service, just in case. Safety first, make sure you're visible and off the road. You've already done the most important thing by shutting off the engine. Now let's start investigating. Stay calm. This is a problem you can tackle. Let's get ready to check under the hood. Remember, don't rush. Cooling down is key. You're in control now. Let's find the cause. The engine's cool. Time to investigate. First, check the oil level with the dipstick. If it's low or missing, that's likely your problem. Add the correct oil slowly, checking the dipstick as you go. Don't overfill. If the oil level is fine, check the oil filter. If it's ancient or damaged, it could be restricting flow. Next, inspect the oil pressure sensor. If it's leaking or the wire's loose, it might be a false alarm. Look under the car for oil puddles. A major leak is a red flag. Listen for any strange noises before the light came on. Whining or knocking could mean a failing oil pump. Peek under the oil cap for sludge. Thick, gunky oil means neglected maintenance and possible clogged passages. If you spot any of these issues, don't restart the engine. If everything looks normal, you may have a sensor issue. But if you see leaks, sludge, or hear noises, it's serious. Your quick checks can save your engine, or tell you it's time for a tow. Be methodical, and don't skip steps. The clues are all there. Take your time and be thorough. If you're unsure, err on the side of caution. Sometimes, the best fix is knowing when to stop. Let's move on to the next step. Don't risk it if you're not sure. Here's where most people go wrong. They restart the engine hoping the light will go away. If the problem is serious, like a failed oil pump or a big leak, restarting just causes more damage. If you added a lot of oil, ask yourself, where did it go? If it leaked or burned, the problem isn't fixed. Don't get stuck in a loop of wishful thinking. Restarting over and over only makes things worse. Never restart unless you're sure you fixed the issue. If the oil was just low and you topped it off, you might be okay. But if you see leaks, sludge, or hear noises, do not turn that key. Know when to call it. Sometimes, a tow is the smartest move. Now, the big decision, drive or tow. Only restart if the oil was low, you refilled it, and there are no leaks or weird noises. Start the engine, and watch the oil light. It should go out in seconds. If it stays off and the engine sounds normal, you can drive. Carefully. But, if the oil was full, you see a puddle, hear knocking, or the light stays on, do not drive. Call for a tow. It's the best way to protect your engine. Tell the tow driver not to start the engine. Use a flatbed if possible. Get it to a trusted mechanic, or your home garage for a deeper look. Explain exactly what happened. Mechanics appreciate a clear story. You're making a smart, strategic move to save your engine. Don't risk thousands to save a few bucks on a tow. Your wallet, and your engine, will thank you. Let's wrap up with some final tips. Quick recap. If the oil pressure light comes on, pull over and shut off the engine immediately. Check the oil level first. Top it off if it's low. If the oil's fine, look for leaks, sludge, or weird noises. Don't keep restarting the engine. Each try risks more damage. Only drive if you fixed a low oil level and everything else checks out. Otherwise, call a tow. It's cheap insurance against a massive repair bill. Prevent this by checking your oil regularly and changing it on schedule. Fix small leaks before they become big problems. Take care of your engine, and it'll take care of you. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.